Hey, hello friends. Welcome to our channel SAP SD and ABAP. We support. Today we'll discuss about the configuration required from functional end. The first configuration is that we need to define the approval request reason because it is required in the body to assign one request reason. So based on this request reason only, in the sales document header level, we see the request. Suppose the sales order went in approval status. How that user will know what is the reason why it went to approval reason means then in the sales account header level we see that reason like a payment term issue, shipping condition issue, pricing issue. So like that we can create a number of approval request reasons and give some naming to that, and according to these changes in the order level we can assign the relevant approval request reason. For one document category we should have at least one approval reason. So if you see here, the path is very simple. Sales and distribution, sales, sales documents, sales document approvals, and define reasons for approval request. Remember one thing, this node might be available in different places. So in my system, it's available under this node, but it might be available in different node in your system based on your version only. So if you don't identify this node under this path like sales and distribution, sales, sales documents, sales document approvals means, then you can simply copy this define reasons for approval request and such that. So if you select this one, then we will get to the next screen where we need to define the approval request reasons. Like we can give the name as payment term change, shipping condition change, or pricing issues. We can define n number of approval request reasons. Then later that should be assigned to the document category. So let me log into system and see how we can do that. So SPRO, okay, let me log in. Okay, fine. So let me log in now. SPRO, SAP reference IMG, and let it open. Mama, niye? So let me scroll down, go to sales and distribution, sales, sales documents, sales document header. Okay, you see here one option, sales document approvals. Click this one, and if you scroll down a little bit, so check this execute define reasons for approval request. Execute this one. So here we can define n number of approval request reasons. For example, I want to make this as an payment change, payment terms change, okay, and I can get one more here, that is Z001 customer address change, like, or else ship to customer change, and I can save it in the TR. So now we have defined the approval request reason. Now the next step is to assign that to the document category. Let me go back, again go back. You see, under the same node, we have one more activity, that is assign reasons for approval request. Select this one. So I can add new entries, select the document category, quotation Z001, and save it. So from this we can understand that for one document category we can have n number of approval request reasons. It's not like one document category contains only one reason. No, it's one to many. You can have n number of request reasons. And we see we don't have any document types here, like OR, cache sales, not like that. We have only the document category VB, TYP, B for quotation, C for order, and K for credit memo request. So we should assign this to the document category level. Later, this approval request reason should be used in the body to assign based on the condition that is satisfied. This is the important step that we should do. Okay, let's see the next step we have what we to do now. So next is that body, right? In the body, we need to implement that according to our request. This is our class actually. If I go to SC24, I can open this one. In this body only, we should add the request reasons based on our logic. And in case of an My Inbox app, we discussed that we have three options: release, rework, and reject. As I said earlier, if you want to reject that any order in case of any reasons from My Inbox app, then the backend relevant reason for rejection should be activated or available. This is same thing only. We should define the new reason for rejection. Then we should configure that in the body, right? Fine. So that's it from this video, guys. We can catch up in the next video. Bye for now. Thank you.